Hi, my name is Cubastic and I've been speedcubing for more than 4 years now. I'm doing this professionally and I've solved all sorts of puzzles. I've done the biggest Rubik's Cube in the world and the hardest puzzle. I also solved the Rubik's Cube blindfolded, with my legs, underwater. But today I wanna fulfill my dream. Solve a Rubik's Cube in a free fall while jumping with a parachute. Today I'm going to jump out of a plane at the height of 14,000 feet, solve a cube in a free fall, and only then I can open my parachute. I really hope I'll be able to do that and everything works out well. The preparations for this video were really serious, really long, took a lot of time, energy and investments, so I really hope that you're gonna support me with a like, a comment and a subscription to my channel, and I'm gonna start. Oh my god, it's so cool! It's the first time I'm seeing a plane starting up. Oh my god. Can you hear the sound? So guys, let's have a little flight today. The timer on my watch tells me that it's time for me to go and prepare for the flight. I'll be having a briefing from the instructor now. We're gonna come up with a solution on how to do everything. I have no idea how to do it yet. Yes, by the way, I'm jumping in tandem with an instructor. A huge thanks to him for supporting me on the phone. Today we finally met and he explained to me everything on what to do in different situations. The plane takes off in front of me and it's the first time I'm seeing this. I've never even traveled by a plane, guys, and today I will have to jump out of it at 14,000 feet. It's gonna be 0 degrees Celsius or 30 degrees Fahrenheit there, so I'm not even sure what will make me shake more, freezing or being scared. The speed of a freefall is 50 meters per second, and it's a pretty serious speed. When I was practicing in an aerotube, hope you've seen that video, if you haven't, be sure to check it out, it was pretty hard to hold a cube in my hands there, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same here and add a lot of stress there, which is gonna make it much more difficult. But now I have to go on a briefing and I'm gonna show you how it's done, so you are pretty much subscribed to a right channel, guys. You are watching the best content on YouTube. So how much time will we have?
We'll have a minute.
Oh, a minute is great, I thought we'll only have 40 seconds. Awesome, I hope I'll do it. My only one worst try was about a minute in an aerotube. Right now is the most important moment for me. It's time to scramble the Rubik's Cube. Can you do it for me?
Oh, you want to make a setup?
Of course not.
You want it easier or harder?
There's no difference
I
to
can
me.
flip it.
No, without flipping, please. I'm being nervous for some reason. Extremely nervous. My heart is beating really fast. I have about 5 minutes before going into the plane. I started to worry and I really hope everything will be fine. You know, actually, the closer I get to that jump, the more I'm being nervous. You know, I've only been worried about the technical part of this video, about filming everything correctly and nice, to be able to solve the cube before opening a parachute, but now I worry about the jump in general. I'll be jumping in tandem with an instructor. They wouldn't let me do this by myself, of course, because it's too dangerous for the first time. There was this angry man who shouted at me for having a hard helmet. You shouldn't jump with the hard helmet in tandem, because there's a possibility of hitting an instructor with it. Then he wouldn't be able to open a parachute. So that's exactly why I started to worry so much. But my instructor is really experienced, he has 4,000 jumps on the record, so it's gonna be fine. You are probably waiting for my final emotions. To be honest, I'm waiting for that as well. It's scary. Really, really scary. It's solved. Whew. I'm sorry, I don't have any words. Guys, I just landed and still trying to come down. Today was the first time I flew in a plane, the first time I saw the clouds from above, the first time I solved a Rubik's Cube in a freefall. It was extremely insane, extremely awesome. A huge thanks to this association, they did it perfectly, prepared me and set my mood correctly. Also, they filmed me from different angles, so I think this video turned out pretty nice. A huge thanks to you guys, thanks for sharing my videos. I understand that it's not a big problem for you, just share this video on every social media you can. I will be really happy if our community grows bigger and bigger. Please leave a like. I'm Cubastic, take care.